Good morning. Today I received this package. This is from AliExpress, and what I ordered was a pair of glasses. These are glasses with formula. The package is completely sealed, and I'm very excited because I was waiting for this package because the glasses I have right now are so old and I cannot see as well as I could in the beginning. But well, this right. It took like 20 days. I'm not sure. It could be more or less. But well, I'm very happy the package is here. And as I told you, this is a package from AliExpress. The store is called Mary's Store, and it is just about glasses and formula glasses, sunglasses, and everything related to it. So I have big expectations regarding this package, this product, and the enterprise. So, wow, this is amazing. It comes very well. It says, tips. Thank you for purchasing Mary's glasses. Please check your products when you receive them. If there are any questions, please contact us immediately, and we will provide best service for you as soon as possible. If you are satisfied with our products, please give us a 5-star rating. Thanks for your support, and here is the contact. Well, wow, the presentation is quite good. I like the protection because when I usually order in AliExpress, all the packages come like crumpled and in a bad condition, but well, this is nice. Well, the box is like a little bit hard to open. I think I will have to break it, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna put this here. Well, let me check. Here. I think I will definitely have to break the box. I'm not sure why is it so hard. I will have to. Well, I had to. Oh no, well, I broke it, but it is okay. Wow, the badge is so nice. It looks like leather, but of course it is not leather. It is like plastic, but it seems to be very resistant and nice. Wow. So these are the glasses. And here's the formula. Well, that is not... Wow! It says Mary's Design. I wear Mary's. This is... Wow, this is amazing. Well, let's check now the glasses. These are my current glasses. I'm sorry, they're very, very, very filthy. Filthy because they're with dirt and, you know, many things. They are old and I don't take care of them so well. But here I have my new ones. Wow, they are so thin and they're not heavy at all. Wow. Wow, they look very resistant. They look like... Wow. And they're precious. Well, this looks like if I just bought a very expensive pair of glasses. I'm very happy. Wow, it says Mary everywhere. Design in Italy. Well, I'm gonna put them on. And their butt, because I cannot see so well. Or I don't know if it's... Wow. I cannot see well, actually. I don't know if it is that I'm not used to them, but it is awful. When I when I look closer, they're okay, but oh my god. But if I see something that is far from me, it looks terrible. It looks like, no, definitely has to be the glasses, because now I put the ones I have, and it looks well, it doesn't look perfect, but it looks better than the new ones. This is terrible. I had big expectations on it. Now it looks like blurry, like, no, it looks bad. Oh my god, this is very, very sad. This is absolutely sad. What am I going to do? Well, but basically, the glasses came, everything is okay. I don't know, I'm going to try them. This is so sad. And here is the... Wow, this looks nice. But well, basically this is all. And thank you very much for having watched to my video. Not being more, if I have something else to say, I'll leave in the comments. If they went good, if at the end they're bad, if the formula is wrong, I'm going to try to go with my first physician, and I'm going to try to get another meeting with the optometrist, because I don't know if this is right or bad, but well, that's what we have. Thank you very much.